Hey guys, it's Lewis here from AutoSpark. Today we're going to be talking about STEDI's latest light bar and their whole range from the ST3303 Pro. We're going to be doing a bit of an unboxing, see what's good about it and see what's inside. You can also buy this whole range of light bars and rest of STEDI gear on our website. Link will be down below. Straight in front of us, ST3303 Pro. This is the 40-inch size here. On the website it actually lists it as a 39-inch. Pretty fancy boxing. And there she is. STEDI have said a lot about this light bar. This is the new all-in-one full light bar. This can replace a lot of spotties, everything like that. It's got your floods on the side there and your spots in the middle. They actually use the Cree X-Lamp XPL high undomed LEDs. It's actually using the Cree's breakthrough SC5 technology as well. It's unlike anything else out on the market at the moment. Straight away you can see there's another wire hanging out the back here. They have to use dual inputs. This is for all the power consumption, get the extra light out of it, and it's definitely necessary. The lens itself is an optical grade hard-coated Lexan, and total light output is around the 65,000 raw lumens. Now distance, almost a kilometre, 959 metres, with a spread pattern of 153 metres. Hours, about a 50,000 hour life you'll see typically out of a light bar like this. Again, this is the 40-inch light bar. You've got the 24 floods on the side, 36 in the middle, making 60 LEDs in total. Weighs about 5 kilos as well. Now, here's a pretty solid piece of gear here. It's IP68 rating. It's dustproof, waterproof, and submergible in water up to 3 metres. Nice little things I have added too, just a bit of aesthetic. They've got the side caps here. They come with the grey ones, and they actually come with orange ones that can be changed, included in the box as well. Moving on to some of the brackets we've got. So they do come nice separate box again. Alright, they come with side brackets as well, which are 4mm thick, 304 stainless steel, as well as the cast alloy sliding brackets. Comes with 5 of them actually. Makes mounting these things very easy. You can see them all there. Nut bolt kits, Allen keys, everything all in there. And there's your orange side clips as well. Alright. Wiring harness is next, guys. This makes this light bar quite unique. Again, we talked about the dual inputs. So this will have 2 relays on it, 2 fuse holders, and it's obviously heavy duty enough to run this beast of a light bar. We do all of installations here at work as well, so if you don't want to install it yourself, we can do it for you guys. Just wrapping up the video now. These light bars come in starting at 11-inch all the way up to the 39-inch. You can buy the whole STEDI range on our website at AutoElecOz, or you can come down and see us here at Osborne Park AutoSpark. Thanks guys.